the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 versus the Pirelli P Zero PZ5. The UHP segment heats up with Pirelli's all-new P Zero PZ5, aiming to challenge Michelin's well-established Pilot Sport 5, a tyre known for balanced performance and durability. Can the PS5 hold its ground, or will Pirelli's newcomer steal the spotlight? Throughout this comparison, the performance metrics are shown as percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Auto Express Best Car Tires to Buy Now 2025 test. In wet braking, Michelin stops 0.7 meters later than Pirelli, about 3% longer. In wet handling, the Michelin is 0.99 seconds slower, or 1% behind. However, Michelin fights back in straight-line aquaplaning, resisting water at 4% higher speeds. Overall, in wet, Pirelli leads in braking and handling, while Michelin excels in aquaplaning. In dry braking, Michelin stops 1.39 meters later, 5% longer. Dry handling is almost identical, with Michelin just 0.08 seconds slower. Pirelli shows a clear edge in braking, while handling is essentially a draw. When it comes to comfort and noise, Pirelli offers a 7% advantage, delivering a quieter and smoother ride. However, Michelin is 7% more efficient, offering lower rolling resistance for better fuel economy. When it comes to mileage, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 lasts an estimated 38% longer than the PZ5. This suggests a significant durability advantage for long-term use for Michelin. When it comes to pricing, for the 225/40 R18, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 is 13% more expensive than the PZ5. In summary, the all-new Pirelli P Zero PZ5 impresses with sharper wet and dry braking, slightly quicker handling, and better comfort, all at a lower price. On the other hand, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 counters with superior aquaplaning resistance, lower rolling resistance, and far greater mileage, making it a better long-term performer.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.